Huh? Look at that. Look at your hands. Look at... Oh! No. Why did you put that in your hair? Why? Why did you put that in your hair? No, Caleb. Look at daddy. Look at your face. Look at your face. Hmm? Look at your face. Look at daddy. Huh? Look at daddy. That nice?